Henan Jiarong Technology Equipment is a wholly owned subsidiary of Henan Jiarong Technology. It is located in Yanjin County, Xinjiang City, Henan Province, aiming to build a high-end environmental protection equipment manufacturing base. It handles equipment R&D, design, manufacturing, sales, maintenance, and modification for the parent company. The company follows a design philosophy of modular, intelligent, standardized, and engineered equipment. It uses high-standard flexible production lines and employs an efficient supply chain delivery system, providing high-end environmental equipment like efficient evaporators, leachate treatment systems, and membrane filtration units. The company's membrane systems are well-designed, high-quality, and trusted by customers. It serves tough wastewater areas like landfill leachate, industrial, and radioactive wastewater treatment. The parent company, Henan Jiarong Technology, specializes in difficult, high-concentration wastewater treatment. It is a high-tech firm offering premium environmental equipment and services. To date, Jiarong Technology has served over 600 high-concentration wastewater projects, with cases across more than 30 Chinese regions. Meanwhile, the company actively supports the Belt and Road Initiative, expanding overseas markets. Products are exported to over 10 countries, including Japan and Brazil. It upholds the mission to create excellence, satisfy clients, and protect the environment. Deeply committed to tough wastewater treatment, gaining market growth through quality products and services, contributing to green ecosystems and carbon goals.